Hey everyone, welcome back to Decobloom. Today we are turning your winter home into a luxurious Ralph Lauren-inspired escape. If you love deep colors, rich textures, and that timeless, cozy elegance, you are in the right place. Stay with me to see how small changes can make your space feel warm, chic, and truly high-end. On this winter evening, the heart of the home is the fireplace. Brass candlesticks catch the glow of the flames, while leather-bound books line the dark wooden mantel. Tartan stockings add a touch of heritage and warmth. Every element feels intentional and timeless. This is not just a place to stay warm. It is a luxurious gathering spot where stories, style, and comfort come together beautifully. Here, a simple sofa becomes a statement of winter luxury. Deep green, navy, and burgundy pillows in velvet and will invite you to sink in and stay a while. A thick cashmere throw softens every line, draped casually across the arm. The room glows with soft light, reflecting off rich wood and brass. This is cozy, but never casual. It is comfort, elevated with classic Ralph Lauren-inspired style. Step into this quiet reading nook, tucked into the corner of a grand living room. A leather wingback chair anchors the space, its surface worn just enough to feel inviting. A plaid cushion adds pattern and warmth, while a small floor lamp pools golden light over stacked vintage books. Heavy curtains frame the frosty window, muting the world outside. This is a private retreat, where winter evenings stretch into unhurried, luxurious hours. The first glimpse of his home sets the tone for everything that follows. A dark wood console stands beneath equestrian art, each frame hinting at timeless heritage. A tartan scarf, used as a runner, adds color and character. Lanterns glow softly, their candlelight reflected in polished surfaces. Pine cones and greenery bring in the scent of winter. Here, every arrival feels considered, every departure touched with understated luxury and warm, classic charm. At the center of the room, the coffee table becomes a quiet celebration of winter elegance. Crystal decanters catch the firelight, their amber tones glowing like jewels. Vintage books invite you to linger a little longer. A polished silver tray holds a pine and cedar candle, subtly perfuming the air. Around it, deep sofas and rich textiles frame the scene. It is a still life of luxury, designed for slow conversations and thoughtful pauses. Tonight, the dining room is dressed for a truly special evening. A navy tablecloth sweeps to the floor, grounding the scene in rich color. Plaid napkins, tied with velvet ribbon, add a hint of tradition and playfulness. Silver chargers and crystal glassware sparkle softly in candlelight. Evergreen garland runs down the center, bringing texture and life. This is a room that invites long dinners, shared stories, and the quiet luxury of unhurried winter gatherings. Watch how this living room shifts from breezy to beautifully winter-ready. Light cushions are replaced with deep jewel-toned velvet, herringbone, and cable-knit pillows. Wool tartan throws are layered across the sofa, instantly adding warmth and depth. Brass lighting and framed photography complete the transformation. With just a few thoughtful changes, the space becomes richer, cozier, and more inviting. It now feels like a room made for winter evenings at home. This bedroom is designed as a sanctuary from the cold outside. Crisp white bedding creates a calm foundation, layered with a heavy plaid blanket at the foot of the bed. Dark wood furniture and a leather bench add substance and strength. Soft lamplight glows on brass accents and framed equestrian art. Heavy curtains frame a snowy view, turning the window into a moving painting. It is a room made for slow mornings and restful, luxurious nights. In one corner of the living room, a vintage brass bar cart tells its own story. Cut glass decanters are filled with rich, amber spirits, ready for an intimate winter drink. Low crystal tumblers catch the light, reflecting the warm tones of the room. A silver ice bucket and small branches of evergreen complete the scene. It feels both glamorous and relaxed, the perfect spot to pour something special on a snowy evening. This library corner feels like it has always been here, quietly collecting memories. Darkwood shelves are filled with leather-bound books, each spine adding depth and character. Tartan boxes and brass bookends give subtle pattern and shine. Horse-themed objects in black and white photos hint at a life well traveled. Underfoot, a wool rug softens each step. It is a space that celebrates knowledge, story, and the refined comfort of a classic home. This small beverage station turns a simple moment into a ritual of luxury. Tartan mugs line up neatly beside polished silver spoons, ready for hot chocolate or tea. A velvet runner softens the surface, while a cake stand holds winter treats. Gentle candlelight warms the scene, reflecting off glass and metal. Behind it, paneled walls and frosted windows complete the cozy atmosphere. It is an invitation to slow down and savor the season. These tall windows become artwork through thoughtful styling. Heavy plaid curtains frame the view, pooling richly on the floor. Classic tie backs hold the fabric just enough to reveal a hint of snowy garden outside. A small wreath or garland hangs from the rod, adding softness and life. Below, carefully styled surfaces echo the same palette. Together, they create a feeling of intimacy and theater, turning the winter light into a beautifully staged moment. This console tells a seasonal story through layers and texture. Black and white frames lean casually against the wall, overlapping like memories. Brass candlesticks rise above stacked books, their flames reflected in an antique mirror. A tartan throw drapes over one side, adding warmth and color. A small bowl of greenery ties everything to the season. The overall feeling is curated yet relaxed, like a glimpse into a life where every detail matters. Even the hallway becomes an experience in this luxury home. Vintage trunks are stacked neatly, wrapped with folded plaid blankets that promise extra warmth. A gallery wall of aged prints lines the space, each frame catching the glow of wall sconces. Lanterns rest on the floor, guiding the way with soft light. A patterned runner stretches ahead, drawing you forward. It is a passage that feels like a story, welcoming you deeper into the house. At the center of the dining table, a silver bowl becomes a celebration of the season. Pine branches spill over the edges, mixed with pine cones and deep red roses or berries. Crystal candlesticks rise above, their tall white candles glowing softly. A dark runner grounds the arrangement, echoing the room's rich palette. Around it, The table is set but not yet filled. This is the moment before guests arrive, full of promise and understated drama. This study feels like a room built for ideas. Dark green walls embrace floor-to-ceiling bookcases, each shelf lined with leather volumes. A polished wood desk sits at the center, lit by a brass lamp casting a focused pool of light. A tartan cushion softens the chair, while an antique globe and accessories hint at travel and history. Outside, snow falls quietly. Inside, the atmosphere is rich, contemplative, and deeply refined. Watch how this living room gains depth and character with each layer. Light decor is gradually replaced by plaid cushions, velvet throws, and glowing brass lamps. Art, candles, and greenery appear, one by one, until the room feels full and inviting. The fireplace is dressed with garland and stockings, becoming the visual anchor. As daylight fades, the space grows warmer and richer. It is a transformation that proves winter luxury is all in the details. This window seat offers the perfect place to pause and breathe. Built in beneath large paned windows, it is piled with tartan cushions and a soft faux fur throw. A small side table holds a candle and a favorite book. Outside, snow drifts across the landscape, turning the view into a living painting. Inside, the woodwork and shelves feel timeless. It is a quiet corner where luxury and comfort meet in the gentlest way. Thank you so much for spending time here at Decobloom. Today you saw how color, texture, pattern, and a few key decor pieces can turn any space into a luxury winter home with Ralph Lauren vibes. If these ideas inspired you, please give this video a like, hit subscribe so you do not miss the next upload, and share your favorite detail or room in the comments below.